It's me again, and I'm giving you guys the Chetnerisi kind of coins. And so far, that dip is so good. I like it. I like everything about the dip. If you guys enjoy and did have fun buying all that dip, congrats. Congrats, you made it. You made it. We made it from 2022 2023 bear market, and we've done it so well that we're trying everything in our world to continue living while our portfolio is and getting all the dip. And for that, I just want to say congrats. We made it. It's time to make money, okay? So, the first outcome that I will be showing to you guys to make more money at this one. That's it. That's all you need for now. Imagine getting this dedicated blockchain network for data monetization within AI models. They are planning everything with this layer AI. Compromise a CK rollup that's zero knowledge rolled up. Layer VPN. Layer marketplace. And layer AI economy app. So that's all in one project. I'd suggest you dig into it. This is the layer 2. Builds in its own zero-knowledge layer 2 network on top of Ethereum using low-cost, secure, safe, and private zero-growth technology to turn data into a valuable asset. Yeah, this is the founder. Just watch him. So, this is their agendas. So, privacy, AI revolutionary, rise of AI adoption, and landscape. So Ether Protocol is a somehow semi-AI, and this project is purely AI. And Reno next week, and video will change everything about the AI kind of projects. So, hopping onto this right now, this early, will give us the boost that we need, because retails, of course, we're also retails, but we're retails inside the economy, and we're not part of the herd, as they are just looking at the news before they get to the media, but once the media told them that Bitcoin is doing everything, they just gonna hop on it. But us, we've been here since 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, and now 2024. We're just gonna enjoy the ride of the life, and I suggest you do it with me. So, a current layer AI project is like this. If we're gonna look into this, layer AI is 0.07 right now. Oh my, I gave you this around what? 0.03? Oh, whoosh, that's times 2 of your money. Well, if you're gonna look at the market cap, this has a lot of room to grow. $13 million for a market cap and a layer AI. Miles Dutcher is promoting this in this one of his videos. If you're gonna look at one of his videos, he's promoting this project, and soon other crypto influencers will promote this too. As I'm giving you guys the best alpha calls that will have in this pool run, and this project will go nuts. So imagine getting in right now, and it goes 130 million once marketing sets in, and other promotional projects goes in on this. So this will go $130 million, right? That's easy times 110. Sorry, that's easy times 10 of your money. 1,000%. Now, if we're gonna be looking at it futuristically, 13 million goes to 130 million at your 10x. But if it goes to 1.3 billion, as it will, because this is a layer AI project, this is the AI that will change the world in cryptocurrency, 1.3 billion is not real at the top of the furnace. You know, that's just rational. I'm giving it to you guys. That's times 100 of your money back. That's times 10,000 gains of your money back at the end of this bull run. But of course, I'm just giving you guys the realistic version, rationality one. If I'm gonna give you the most degenerate opinion, most degenerate prediction in this project, 1.3 billion is so low. If we're going to the top 100, top 50 of this cryptocurrency market, and if this goes well, we're gonna go to around $6 billion, and $6 billion this times four, times four of that $1.3 billion, yos. So that's like 400x of your money back. So I suggest you hop on into this, bros. This is it. You're gonna go back to this video. You're gonna try to look at this recording. You're gonna try to look at the date. And you're gonna try to look at the price. That is what's up. And if this goes to $6 billion, 400x of your money back, what will you do? You're gonna tell me, oh, I should have listened to him. He made the right call. I gave you guys this in the start. Now, if 400x happens, you guys should come to all of my country travels. Right now I'm doing country travels, but I can't because Bitcoin is very volatile right now. I want to make sure I can maximize all the profits I need. So if we're gonna do this together, you guys should take care of yourself, have fun with your family. Every once in a while I'll do this with my wifey and my son. So that is the kind of play I do. So every time I'm in work, I try to give everything. So if you guys want to see how I talk about projects, I think you should visit my Twitter. This is my Twitter. It's Digital Nomad at Mr. Humble Cash. If you guys will look at this, look, it's of me for everyone to enjoy. Right? That's crazy. That's crazy. That guy doing the SEC is so... I mean, we're all guys in there. Maybe there will be women, ladies and gentlemen, whoever you guys are around, rather at the end of this video. But yeah, I think most of my videos, audiences is male. And you guys enjoy yourself making degenerate money with me. So yeah, if you just want to hop on into this, I suggest you go with my Twitter. And if we're doing it this right, this will be the best year of our life, because this will give us the generational wealth that we need, financial freedom. So Layer AI, Aether Protocol. I'm looking at Coty payments because it's a DeFi and I think it will be good. So right now I have a bag of trap, which I will be doing the gaming next time. So, see ya!